What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are currently at CVS and we are going to be doing the breakdowns for this week using the CRTs and paper coupons. So let's get started. Okay, so first deal we're going to be doing is going to be on the spend 30 get $10 back in extra bucks. Now you guys can do different scenarios for this one because we have the Tide liquid that is $5.94. We have the little Tide Pods. They also have the Gain for $4.94, and there is coupons for all of these. There is like a $1 off one paper coupon for this one, the $2 off one coupon that came in the P&G, $2 off one coupon for this one. So you guys can do different scenarios. For my scenario, I am going to be grabbing 2 of the liquids. And then we also have the Unstoppables, and you guys have the dryer sheets. So like I said, multiple like different items you guys can grab for this scenario. So I'm going to be grabbing 3 of the Unstoppables that are priced at $5.94. Now these are the 5 items that I'm grabbing, and they're all priced at $5.94. Now I have 2 different CRTs that I could be using. I could use this $4 off 20 Tide Gain Bouncer Downy, or I could use this $6 off 30. Now I'm going to use the $6 off 30 just because it's a higher value, and I am going to be spending $30 for all 5 of these items. As for coupons, we are going to be using the P&G ones. We are going to be using a $2 off one for the Unstoppables. We're going to use 3 of those, and then we're going to use 2 of the $2 off one Tide liquid. These are all from the P&G. Now let's do the breakdown. It is going to be $5.94 times 5 because we're getting 5 products. That's going to bring our total to $29.70. Now let's subtract the coupons. We're using 5 of the $2 off one. So that's going to bring us down to $19.70. Now let's subtract that $6 off 30 CRT. And that's going to bring us down to $13.70. And then remember, after we pay, you can either roll or pay the $13.70. And then we're going to get $10 back in extra bucks. So that's going to be $3.70 for these 5 items, making it only 74 cents each. Now when I say roll, because this transaction is if you spend 30 you get $10 back in extra bucks. Now if you already have extra bucks, you can use the extra bucks to pay for this transaction, and you will only pay the $3.70 plus tax, of course, and then you'll still get 10 extra bucks back. Now if you don't have extra bucks, then you're going to pay the $13.70, and then you'll get the $10 back in extra bucks at the end of your receipt. Next deal that we have is on the Pampers Easy Up. These are on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20 you get $5 back in extra bucks. Now there is a $3 off 2 digital coupon for these, so we are going to be using that $3 off 2 digital coupon on top of a CRT. Now the CRT I got this week for this deal is a $4 off 15 Pampers Easy Up. So let's do the breakdown. So it's going to be $20 for the 2 packs. Now let's subtract that $3 off 2 digital coupon. Let's subtract that $4 off 15 CRT. That's going to bring our total down to $13. Now we are going to get $5 back in extra bucks for this purchase. So it's going to bring us down to $8 for 2 packs, making it only $4 each. Next deal that we have is going to be on this heat patch. These are priced at $1.89, and then we normally get these CRTs like every other week. It is a $2 off pain relieving, you know, back patches and all that. So I can use this $2 off one for this back patch, and it's going to be completely free. Okay, next thing we're going to be doing is going to be on the Aleve. These are buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend 20 you get $7 back in extra bucks. So these are priced at $8.29, so I'm going to be getting 4 of them. Now these are the coupons I'm going to be using, and the CRT, it's going to be $4 off 1, and then a $4 off 20 any pain relief, and you can choose between any brand. It says there choose any brand. And then this $4 off 1 is for 1 Aleve, and it's the 40 count or larger. Now I'm getting the 50 count, so these coupons are going to work for this product. Now let's do the breakdown. The 50 count at my store is priced at $8.29. Now we divide it by 2, so that is going to be the price for one, $4.14, and then it's going to be the plus $8.29. That is going to be the price for 2 of them, since it's buy one get one 50% off. And since we're getting 4, we're going to do this 2 times, and that's going to bring our total to $24.84. Now let's subtract that $4 off 20 CRT, and then we're going to subtract $4 times 4 because we're using 4 coupons, making it only $4.87. Now that's what you can pay, or you can roll extra bucks, and then we're gonna get $7 back in extra bucks, and it's gonna be $2.13 of a money maker. Okay, next deal that we have is going to be on the Colgate toothpaste. It is on sale this week for $3.49. They have the Optic White, they have, you know, this one, the Total SF, and they also have the Max Fresh. They're all priced at $3.49. So whichever one you guys want to get. And then I am going to be using 4 of these 50 cents off one coupon, and then I'm going to be using the CRT that takes $4 off when we spend $14 on any toothpaste. These are buy 2 get $4 back in extra bucks, and it's a limit of 2, so that means that I can get 4 of these toothpaste and I'll get $8 back. So now let's do the breakdown. It's going to be $3.49 times 4, and that's going to bring our total to $13.96. Now let's subtract the 50-cent coupons. We're using 4 of them. So it's going to be 50 cents times 4, and that's going to be $11.96. Now let's subtract that $4 off CRT, that $4 off 14, I'm sorry. So we're going to end up paying $7.96 if we don't have any extra bucks to roll, and then we're going to get $8 back in extra bucks, making it completely free. Alright guys, this is going to be my last deal for the week. Now this is going to be a combined deal. We're going to be getting the Gillette Mach 3. It is priced at $9.99 in my store, and then when you buy one you get $5 back in extra bucks. Now I do have a $2 off one coupon. Now there also is a digital coupon for this one if you guys don't have the paper ones from the P&G, and then I have this $3 off CRT that I'm going to pair it with. Now I also have a $5 off 20 shave that I want to use, but like I said, it's going to be a double deal because I'm going to grab this one and then I'm going to grab some other razors. I'm going to go grab the chic ones. Okay, now to match with that Gillette Mach 3, I'm going to be grabbing 3 of these Skintimate razors. They are on sale for $5.99, and when you spend $15 you'll get $5 back in extra bucks. Now I do have the $3 off one paper coupon. I also have a $4 off 2 Skintimate CRT and a $2 off Skintimate CRT. So I'm going to be using these 2 CRTs and these 3 coupons on top of the $5 off 20. And then I also did want to mention that there is a digital coupon for the $3 off one chic on the CVS app, and then I'm also gonna have a link for a printable coupon for the chic razors as well. It's $3 off one. So if you guys don't have the paper coupons, you guys can still print 2 and then use that one CVS digital. Okay, so these are the 3 chics I'm gonna get, and then the 1 Gillette, and then these are all the CRTs I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a $5 off 20, a $3 off Gillette Mach 3, a $2 off Skintimate, and a $4 off 2 Skintimate. Then I'm going to be using 3 of the $1 off coupons, and then a $2 off 1 Gillette Mach. So doing the breakdown, it's going to be $5.99 times 3 for the chic, plus $9.99 for the Gillette. That's going to bring our total to $27.96. Then we're going to subtract the $2 coupon for the Gillette, and then we're going to subtract $9 for the 3 coupons for the chic. Then we're going to subtract that $4 off 2 Skintimate, that $2 off Skintimate CRT. Then we're going to subtract that $3 off Gillette Mach 3 CRT, and then that $5 off 20. So that's what we're going to pay, $2.96 for all 4 of these products. Now we're going to get $5 back for the chic Skintimate ones, and then we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks for the Gillette. So overall, this is going to be a $7 moneymaker. Alright guys, even though Jay didn't do any of the breakdowns, he was still here for moral support, so
not really, I was walking over there.
I know you were walking around the whole time.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's an off day today.
I know, we're kind of exhausted today, but we're gonna go ahead and check out. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have in my cart right now. Now it is completely full. Now it looks like a lot because I do use 2 accounts. So this is how I have like my little accounts ready. I have, you know, for 1 card, and then I have another card. One of them is Jay's, one of them is mine. That way I can do the deals twice. So let's go check out and see how I go. Alright guys, we are officially home, and then this is my haul for today. This is for one account. So for one transaction, I got 2 pull-ups, 4 Aleve, I got 4 Colgate, 2 Tide, 3 Downy Unstoppables, 1 Gillette, and then 4 of these Chics. Now here is my long receipt, and everything went as planned. These are all the coupons that I used. Now the only thing here was that I guess because the Chic had already hit 0, it didn't take off the 4 off 2, so it only took off 22 cents, but it's okay because I just told the cashier, and then they issued these extra bucks since it didn't go as planned. So she reissued me $4 in extra bucks, which, you know, is the CRT $4 off too. So it balances out. Now my total was $11.26. With tax, it's $7.16. So it came out to $18.42. Now these are all the extra bucks that I rolled. The last one's here. I rolled a total of $38 in extra bucks, and then I got $40 back in extra bucks. So my total should have been $9.26 if I would have had, you know, $40 in extra bucks to roll. But then remember this CRT, so my total should have been $5.26 for all of this, not including tax. Now this is 20 items, so it's $5.26 divided by 20. That makes it 26 cents per item. That is amazing. Now, that's not including tax, of course, that beautiful California tax. All right, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Let me know if you guys are able to do some of these deals and what you guys are scoring this week. And we'll see you guys in our next week's video. Bye.